Namaskar, welcome to Daily Weather Briefing Program of India Meteorological Department. If we see the today's main synoptic feature, then today in the Arabian Sea, a cyclonic circulation lies over the southeast and adjoining east central Arabian Sea, and a trough is also running from this cyclonic circulation to the Kutch across the northeast Arabian Sea in the lower tropospheric levels. And in addition to this, a western disturbance lies over the Afghanistan area in the mid and upper tropospheric levels as a trough. And in Bay of Bengal, a low pressure area lies over the Andaman Sea, and the associated cyclonic circulation extends up to mid tropospheric levels. And because of this cyclonic circulation over Arabian Sea and the trough in easterlies and the western disturbance in the mid and upper tropospheric westerlies, there is a convection over the entire northeast Arabian Sea adjoining east central Arabian Sea, over most parts of the northwest India, over Maharashtra, entire Gujarat, and many parts of the western Himalayan region, which can be seen in this satellite picture. And because of this, there will be the light to moderate rainfall at isolated places is likely over parts of the northwest India during next 2 days, and isolated thunderstorm and lightning is also likely over Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan area on 1st and 2nd of December. And as far as the Maharashtra and Gujarat are concerned, there will be isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall with thunderstorm and lightning over Gujarat region, North Madhya Maharashtra and North Konkan during next 24 hours. If we look into the district-wise warning, then today on 1st of December in the Surat, Tapi, Dang, Navsari, Valsad and Daman district of the Gujarat region, there is a possibility of very heavy rainfall. However, on the 2nd of December, there are chances of heavy rainfall over the Mahisagar, Dahod, Chota Udaipur and Narmada district of the Gujarat region. After the 2nd of December, there will be the significant reduction in rainfall activity over the Gujarat region and entire northwest India and Maharashtra. And as we have seen, the low pressure area lies over the central parts of Andaman Sea, and this low pressure area very likely to concentrate into a depression by tomorrow, and it will further intensify into a cyclonic storm around 3rd of December, and which will move towards the North Andhra and Odisha coast around the 4th of December. Because of this, the fishermen are advised not to venture into the Andaman Sea on 1st and 2nd of December, over the southeast and adjoining east central Bay of Bengal on 2nd and 3rd of December, over west central and adjoining northwest Bay of Bengal along and off North Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal coast during 3rd to 5th of December, because of the very rough to high sea conditions and strong surface winds over that area, which can also be seen in this graphical form. And because of this system in the Bay of Bengal and its movement towards the Andhra and Odisha coast, there will be heavy to very heavy rainfall over Andaman and Nicobar Island during next 2 days, over the north coastal Andhra Pradesh on 3rd and 4th of December, over the coastal Odisha on 3rd, 4th and 5th of December, over the Gangetic West Bengal on 4th and 5th of December. And the extremely heavy rainfall also cannot be ruled out over the coastal Odisha and north coastal Andhra Pradesh on 4th of December. And if we look into the district-wise heavy rainfall warning, then in the Odisha on 4th of December, there will be the maximum rainfall activity will be there. In the Gajapati, Ganjam, Puri and Jagatsinghpur, there are chances of extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places, which is given in the red color in the top right corner picture. And on 4th of December, there are chances of very heavy rainfall over the Koraput, Rayagad, Kandhamal, Nayagad, Khurda, Kattak and Kendrapara district of the Odisha on 4th of December. And on 5th of December, there will be very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Puri, Jagatsinghpur, Kattak, Kendrapara, Jajpur, Bhadrak, Balasore, and the Mayurbhanj districts of the Odisha. However, in the South Odisha and interior Odisha, there will be the only light rain on 5th of December. And as far as the coastal Andhra Pradesh are concerned, there will be the maximum activity on 4th of December with the extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places over Srikakulam district, Vijayanagara district, and Visakhapatnam district. And very heavy rainfall will be over East Godavari and heavy rainfall over the West Godavari district on 4th of December. And from the 5th of December, there will be the reduction in rainfall activity over the entire Andhra Pradesh. However, the isolated heavy rainfall is likely over the Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, and Godavari districts of the north coastal Andhra Pradesh. And in the West Bengal, as the system will move towards the West Bengal, so there will be the enhanced rainfall activity over the Gangetic West Bengal from the 5th of December. So because of this, there will be the very heavy rainfall over the Jhargram, Paschim Medir, Howrah, North 24 Pargana and South 24 Pargana district of the Gangetic West Bengal on 5th of December, and heavy rainfall over the adjoining districts of the Gangetic West Bengal on 5th of December. And in the 6th December, there will be the isolated heavy rainfall over the some parts of the uh, Paschim Medir, Howrah district, North 24 Pargana and South 24 Pargana, and after that, there will be the significant reduction in rainfall activity. Because of this very heavy rainfall over the parts of North Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Andaman Nicobar, as well as the Gangetic West Bengal, there can be the localized flooding of roads, waterlogging in the low-lying areas. There will be the occasional reduction in visibility, disruption in major traffic in major cities, possibility of damage to the vulnerable structure, and there is also possibility of damage to horticulture and standing crops over these districts, which are given in the orange and red color, as we have seen. And so you can follow the any traffic advisory if which are issued in this regard. You can avoid the going to the areas that faces the waterlogging problem often, and avoid staying in the vulnerable structure over those areas. You can download the Mausam Damini and Meghdoot app. You can also follow us on our Twitter page, Facebook page, and our Instagram page for more detailed weather information. Thank you.